Another question comes from Quora. How much can I charge for the use of a registered trademark in the US? My name is Andrei Mincov. I'm the founder of Trademark Factory. I answer questions like this all the time. That's why. Click that subscribe button. I'll wait. Because look, I know that more than 80% of people who watch these videos are not yet subscribed. So make sure you do, because looks like you've got an interest in questions about branding, trademarks, intellectual property, entrepreneurship, and that's the type of questions that I answer here all the time. So subscribe, hit that bell button to get notified whenever the next video goes live, and I'll answer the question right now. So how much can you charge for the use of a registered trademark in the US? Well, here's my answer. You can charge anything you want. The question is, will somebody pay? Right? You need a buyer who's going to pay you whatever it is that you want to charge. And in all seriousness, there's a lot of variables here. The best example, recent example about the value of the brand is probably Casamigos tequila brand by George Clooney, who sold that brand for $1 billion, right? That's a pretty good deal for somebody who just developed the brand, found a distiller after they trademarked the brand, and then they sold the brand to Diageo for $1 billion. We actually have a great video about this with a whole untold story of the Casamigos brand. Make sure you watch that. So they got $1 billion for the use of the registered trademark. Many brand owners couldn't charge $3 for the use of their brand because nobody wants it. So it really boils down to how much goodwill you've accumulated around the brand. How much does somebody else want to use that brand? What kind of value they see in it? So the range is anywhere from 0 to billion, maybe billions of dollars. There's really no specific answer to this question. What you want to do, as in any business negotiation, is to create the perception that you're selling something valuable, that it can help the potential buyer accomplish certain goals, that if they were able to use that brand, or if they were able to own that brand, they'd be able to attract more business, generate more money, so it would pay for itself. Otherwise, why would they pay for it, right? So I hope this answers your question. Make sure you like this video, post a comment below with your feedback, with more questions if you have them for me. And like I said, subscribe to get notified whenever the next video goes live, because otherwise how will you know that I've answered your question, right? So once you do that, I'll see you in the next video, right?